comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, dancers? This is Jam, and welcome to this dance tips video where I'm going to be talking about how to have the right mindset for battling. I believe that it's very important to prepare yourself not just physically, but also mentally before you enter a battle. To me, battling is one of the most challenging things that a dancer can do. With it comes a lot of pressure to do well. And when you're put under pressure in this way, it's really important to have your mindset prepared right for your best chance of success. As someone who's won a lot of battles and lost even more of them, I have gained a lot of experience over the years, and the things that I'm going to share with you are things that I wish were shared with me when I was younger. So the first thing that I want to talk about when it comes to preparing your mindset for battling is knowing what your win is. Before I enter a battle, I always ask myself, what is my win? Winning a battle doesn't necessarily mean winning your battle. Before I enter a battle, I always set a goal for myself so I have a measure of success that is independent of whether I win or lose. And this is how you can always win. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that you've already won just by entering the battle. Battling is so challenging for many different reasons. You have judges judging your every move, you're dancing in front of an entire crowd by yourself, and you're getting music that you may or may not know. All of these factors make a very pressured environment. So the fact that you even have the courage to enter the battle is already a huge win. So take that with you. The second thing is to set a goal for yourself of something that you want to accomplish when you enter this battle. Depending on what I've been training on and what battle I'm entering, I'll choose a goal for myself that aligns with what I want to do in the battle and where I want to progress. Some days, my goal is to stay patient and not rush myself in the music. Sometimes my goal is to execute all of my signatures. And if I can do that, then I've won the battle for myself. Something to understand is that when you win a battle, sometimes it doesn't feel like you actually won. And there have been times where I've won battles, but I wasn't happy with how I performed, and so it felt like I lost to myself. Then there are other days where I lost a battle, but I loved what I did so much that to me it felt like I won. And this is why it's really important to know what you want to accomplish, so that when the battle is done, you know that you won for yourself. So the second thing that is really important when you're preparing your mindset for battling is knowing yourself and knowing what works for you. Remember that you are your own individual dancer. What may seem to work for other people may not necessarily be what will work for you. Now, this applies to your mentality, but also your skill set. It's important to know what your strengths and weaknesses are so that when you're in the battle, you can make the best choices for yourself. Now, physically, that can look like knowing what styles and types of music that you're really strong at. You can also go into detail about even your own body, like, are you good with your hands? Are you good with your feet? Is it your character that really makes you stand out? Now, mentally, what this can look like is, are you a more aggressive dancer, or are you more of a feelings type of battler? I know some dancers who really thrive off of the battle energy, and that fire is what brings out the best in them. But I also know other dancers that when they don't focus on their opponent and they don't think about bringing that battle energy, but they think about having fun and enjoying the moment, that's when they do the best. You have to determine for yourself what kind of battler you are and what state of mind is going to help you be in the best mode so that you can perform your best. For me, something that really hinders me is when I put too much pressure on myself to win and I'm thinking about winning instead of having fun. Whenever I am really enjoying the moment, that is always when I do my best. And not only do I perform my best, but I also get the most out of the battle because I'm really enjoying the moment genuinely. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about when you're preparing your mindset for battling is managing your expectations properly. When it comes to battling, it's the wild west of competition. Even though you may know the DJ, you may know the promoter, and even all the judges, Battling is always unpredictable. Now, because of this, it's important that you go into the battle with the right expectations for yourself. A big part of this is knowing the environment that you're entering in. Are you in a new city that doesn't really know you and your style? Are you entering a bracket with a ton of heavy hitters? Really doing your due diligence to understand the environment and the battle that you're entering is going to help you have the right expectations for the battle. And it's important to have the right expectations for a battle because if you have, let's say, too high of expectations and you don't meet those expectations, you're gonna be disappointed. This doesn't mean that you go into the battle not expecting anything. You do have to have an expectation for yourself so that you walk into the battle with confidence. So when I'm entering a battle, I take all of the factors into account, such as the DJ and what that DJ style is, the judges and what the judges' style is, and if I have any experience of seeing any of these judges judge and how they might be looking at the battle. I take into account the city that I'm in and what type of dancers are in that city and who could potentially be in that battle. All of these things are going to help you determine what you want to expect from the battle. But beyond all of that stuff, I really believe that the most important thing to do when you're going into a battle is to learn. The battle is a test, and it's always going to show you exactly where you are in your dance journey. Some days you may not get the music you really like, and some days you'll get songs that you know really well. But no matter what, the battle is going to show you a clear picture of where you are. Regardless of the outcome, keep your mind open to seeing the battle as a learning experience. So when you leave that battle and you go back into your training, you know exactly what to work on. I hope this video has been able to help you, and if it has, feel free to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I've also just opened up the community tab on my channel, so if you want to go over there and ask me a question or post a video request, I would love to hear your thoughts. My goal is to make content that is going to help you with exactly what you need. Thanks for checking out this dance tips video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.